all I see are cars outnumbering the trees, and let alone the stars in view. Lately the sky seeming under the weather, and my head is feeling heavy on my shoulder. And if you got a heart, may it flutter like a bird in flight. If you got a song, may you sing it with all your might. And if you got a smile, wear it with grace and pride. And if you got nothing, chances are hope is on your side. Now eventually we all fall, we all fall, eventually we fall, we all fall, and the world can be an unruly place, and time is a prison we cannot escape. And love, love, love can hit you like a cannonball, or skip by you like a stone across water, but eventually you'll fall. Everybody falls, we all fall, eventually we fall, we all fall. When it's time to march on, do it with a hop in your step, and learn to forgive. Don't acknowledge regret, and cherish your friends, 'cause they're worth more than gold, rarer than diamonds, the protectors of your soul. Eventually we all fall, we all fall, everybody fall, we all fall, we all fall, we all fall, we all fall, we all
big chunks. Those would be well over a ton each. So that's just a good sign for us when we're jumping into a little piece of terrain like this.
All right, last run of the day. There we go.
Hungry?
Here's some
food for thought.
Everybody's ready.
fickle thing that stands you up and watches you walk by. And I try, Lord, I try to see inside your world from afar, don't want to pry. I hope he loves you like I wanted to love you, but if he